that time of year again when customers come in because they want to propose and they're thinking of a few months in advance, or in some cases a few days in advance, and they want to propose but they don't know what style of engagement ring to get. And I hear that you also want to propose to your boyfriend.
Yes, we're going away in a couple of weeks, which I know is very last minute, sorry.
It is.
But I was wondering if you can help me with that.
Definitely. So I have picked out some styles because this is something that happens a lot to customers. So our main advice is always the same, that you think about your fiancé's general style and then buy something from us that we have in stock, even though you know it's probably not the right size, because everything here is made to order. So you can give the ring and they can say, oh, that's absolutely beautiful. I'd quite like a ring that's slightly different. Then you can come back, we'll give you the full cost of the ring back and put it towards making something especially for you.
Nice.
That's quite important as well. It's quite nice as a couple to do something that's
and he's the one wearing it, so he needs to like it.
Yeah, so let me show you some other styles we've got. We have
That's very nice.
That's a very nice, heavy, chunky ring.
Oh, it is heavy. Wow.
Because not everybody wants stones.
No,
traditionally, it's a stoned ring, but you know there isn't really any right or wrong style to have.
I really like that.
Also, we have this other style ring, which I think is really beautiful. This is a new ring that we've done, and it's a slim signet. You can have a word, you can have a stone set, but it's got diamonds on the side.
Now that I like.
So it looks like an ordinary ring, but it's not really.
That's really nice.
Yeah, it's very beautiful. I'd be very pleased if someone gave me that.
This could be a good wedding band as well, wouldn't it?
Could be. Well, also you could have one colour stone on one side, and then when you do your ceremony, you could have another colour stone on the other side.
Oh, that could be our birthstones as well.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
That's
beautiful.
really nice.
Yeah.
Difficult.
It is difficult.
It's good that I can exchange it, which helps.
You can exchange it. You can have whatever you want. We've made this. That's very nice.
Interesting as well.
So that's a really interesting plain band.
It's very organic.
Yeah, but you can actually have stones set into it. So you can have little stones set into the hollows between the twigs.
I have a few sapphires that my mum left me. Would you be able to use those?
Definitely. Yeah.
Because that'd be quite nice.
Yeah. We make a ring specially to fit the stones.
Yeah, that might be.
You can do whatever you like.
No, you're not helping me now.
Sorry.
And I love that.
That's really beautiful.
I love that they're all different colours. And it's a very unusual band being square.
Yeah, very, very comfortable.
Is it?
Yeah.
I think my favourite one is the Eternity. Yeah.
Most expensive.
Is it?
Yes.
Great. That's always me. But I feel like he deserves it. And maybe I'll get one back.
You might.
If he says yes.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Very good choice.
And I like the rose gold. It's a bit less traditional, I think. It's very nice.
And we can do that with black diamonds, black sapphires, blue sapphires, anything.
So I'm not, like I said, I'm not sure on his size, but you said I can take this with me and then we can come back together and...
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.